Alrighty. Here we are. Working in an elevator. Cha-cha-cha. Tore out some VCT like this. Prepping it out. I'll skim over it one more time once that dries. And we are going to install that right there. Yay. Super exciting day. Chaka, chaka, chaka. I am using this. First time I ever used this. Kind of like it. Feel like it's going to do good. I like the way it mixed and spread, so might just have to switcheroo there. Oh, switcheroo. See how it does. Got like a blue tint to it, if you ask me. And this will be coat number 2. After this dries, we'll be ready to put chocolate line right down the center of that bad boy right there. And lace and plank, spread some glue, lace and plank, spread some glue, and lace and plank, 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 done. And we are working on it. Got a couple more cut pieces to put down up here. And scribbity scribe my sides. Tell you what, get a little closer here. See both these edges? I think a balanced floor is a professional floor. You guys, if you guys don't take the time to balance out your floors like that, you should really give it a try. It's just a lot better feeling, a lot better look at the overall floor after it's done. Sometimes when you're running throughout a whole house, you can't do every single room, but you can do the main room that you're starting. Always helps, just makes it look more professional. Feels better doing it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are done for today. Super easy little job we had today. See, this is what I was talking about a while ago. With a little strip there and a little strip there, here a little strip, there a little strip, everywhere a little strip. Anyway, looks a lot better balanced. So, anywho, that does it for today. Scribing up my cuts on the walls, and if I didn't, if I just ripped them, look at how that dips in right there at that joint where it's been banged in or something. You never get stuff like that if you just mark and cut, but same thing right there. Anytime that you scribe, you are able to get super nice cuts next to everything, whatever you're scribing against. So it's definitely nice. Nice way to do that. Look at that dip in down there. Big time. See that? You can really see it like that. Dips in there. But anyway, it's definitely something worth practicing. I just started scribing stuff. Let's see. Probably just been about a year and a half, 2 years ago. Probably about 2 years ago, I guess. I started scribing and practicing. Just makes stuff so much easier, so much better. Anyway, thank you guys. Oh. This simple little bitty elevator. Chicka chicka. Man, it's like 3 o'clock. We're done. Fixing to call it a day. We got here about 9:30 or so, I guess. So, time to get out of here and check you later. Oh, you're probably wondering, man, that's just a little bitty elevator. How in the world you make it? How in the world you pay you and your guy and make any money, man? This little bitty thing paid me $1,000 today, so I'm okay with that. As a matter of fact, I do one of these every day for that. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in to the Daily Grind. Until tomorrow, FPS, peace out.